How to do 240,000 in 1 month in a lawn and landscape company. I've done it and I want to share it with you. Stick around to the very end because the last point I read, I promise you, will be the most important one. Make sure you check it out. Hey everyone, I'm Jacob Godar, and my channel helps contractors deliver and clients experience a luxurious everyday life through property transformations. Today we're talking about how to hit a point of doing 240,000 in one single month in a lawn and landscape business. I've done it, I want to share it with you, and I want to talk about some of the amazing points. If this sounds like something that would bring value to you because you want to grow and you want to hear from others who have, make sure you hit that like button, you hit subscribe, you leave in the comments I subscribed because I want to connect with each and every one of you. I appreciate every one of you. This channel is about helping others and making others have better businesses, helping others have better businesses. So let's get right into it with the points. These points are going to go quick, and I said this earlier, I promise you the last point is the most important. Point number one, become a marketing machine. I had someone message me on Facebook Messenger earlier this week. I had someone message me today. I have people ask me all the time, what is the right marketing? What is the marketing to do? There is no silver bullet. It is different in every market. There are things you have to do. The person that was talking to me today was asking about websites. Websites are huge. Websites are crucial. You need to learn a lot about SEO, get them organically ranked, get your website ranking well in your area. It's kind of like the hub of a lot of the marketing. But is that the one thing you need? Yeah, it's awesome. It's probably one of the first things you should get going, something that is working its way up in ranking. But is it the only thing you need? No, depending on how much you want to grow and what kind of work you want to get, you need to have that. You need to have Google AdWords. You need to have Facebook. You need to have Instagram. You need to have email marketing. You need to be doing email blasts. You need to be doing every door direct. You need to be doing door-to-door, knocking on doors. You need to maybe create a sales team, have a sales door-to-door team. You need to have door hangers. You need to have newspapers. You need to support teams and local events. You need to give money to charities. You need to do... You see what I'm getting at? The list goes on and on and on. You need to become a marketing machine and learn what that is. Read books about marketing. Look at Duct Tape Marketing by John Jantsch, I think. Look into marketing books for business and read. Get an Audible account and read all of them and learn. So become a marketing machine. Step number, join weekly business trainings. Get in our exclusive Facebook group. Get 50% off all lawn care business trainings. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The waiting list just dropped for GrowCom, my new growth-based community exclusively for the lawn care industry, specifically for business owners just like you. Check the description below. You're gonna wanna get on the list. Step number two, become a sales machine. And just like I said in the other things, read sales information. Read about the different things that you need to pick up on people and the things you have to say and the ways to sound confident, because there's so much revolving sales and in being confident with someone. You need to inspire that you're an expert and you're a point of knowledge so they can feel certain in you. Because the less certainty someone has, here you are and here's the other person. And if you're like not that confident and it's making their certainty fall, they are going to be drifting away from you as they fall and not really like, man, something doesn't feel right about this guy. I don't really feel like he knows what he's talking about. Yeah, I don't really want to spend $100 with him, $10,000, $100,000 with him or her. So learn all about sales, become a sales machine. I know it's easier said than done, but there's so much content out there, so many different sales events you can go to and learn, YouTube videos you can watch, books you can read. Become a sales machine. Number three, this is probably one of the harder things. Right number. Number three, this is challenging. Build an amazing team. It has taken years to get good at building a team. And we can always be better, and we're going to keep getting better, and we're going to hire someone that is a horrible hire over and over again as we learn into the future, because we're going to keep hiring more people, and more people besides me are going to hire people. But building a great team is what it's all about. So getting good people, refining your hiring process, learning what that looks like to build a team and to get culture, to get a great winning culture where people are excited. For me, I'm a maniac. You can ask anybody on the team. I walk out in the morning, woo, I've always been kind of an oddball, and I don't know if that helps the culture, but I try to bring as much excitement as possible because I typically every day wake up really, really excited to, just be alive and be able to do what I do. So you need to build a good team with amazing culture to continue pushing forward. Number 4, simplify your service for your team. So make it easier for them and for your customer. Make it easy for them to accept the estimate. Make it easy for them to say yes to you because you're an expert and you've got the credentials to do the work. So make it easy for everyone. So as you've become a marketing master, you became a sales machine, and now we're waiting to say yes and we're trying to get the work done after you've built that team, and it can flow right through the system easily. This is a huge point. It's so easy that it's made me stutter a little bit, but this is a huge point to make it easy for everyone. That's one of our biggest sayings is simplify service. And every time I'm asking the team, what can we stop doing? What services do we have to stop doing? Is it concrete? Is it this? Is it that? What should we be focusing on? Should we stop doing big landscape jobs and only do 20,000 and under? Should we only do maintenance jobs? Should we slow down landscaping and boom maintenance? All these things about simplifying and keeping it easier to run it faster and faster and faster and to grow it larger and larger and larger. But with all that being said, I told you it mattered. I told you it was good, and that's point number 5. And I hope you stuck around to the very end for this. Actually, if you stuck around to the end for this, I haven't even told you the point yet, but tell me that I'm here. Put "I'm here" in the comments. I stuck around to the end, and this is the biggest point out of all of these. We've done it. We've grown a company. We had our best month ever. We did 240,000 in sales. It was amazing for us. But the biggest part of this, the key number 5 point is, don't ever think it takes someone special to do this. Don't watch my YouTube videos and ever think I'm someone above and beyond special. I just really, really care about what I do. I'm willing to learn anything to make my team better. I'm willing to go through anything to create a better life for my family and my team, to be able to give more to others, to be able to have more abundance, to be able to know more, to put it on this YouTube video, to try to help you have a better business every time I talk. But because of all those things, don't ever think you're not special and you can't do this or it takes a special person, because I'm just an ordinary guy that pushes really, really hard. And there was a lot of times when I was younger when I saw people who had businesses and I was like, wow, I wish I could do that. Wow, I wish it was possible. Wow, it must be awesome to be like them. One thing you learn about having a business, a lot of times it's not as awesome as it looks. But with all that being said, don't think you can't do it. I've seen people get negative on themselves and drive themselves down in a hole and think they can't do it. And the fact is, you can do it. You can build whatever you want. You can have whatever life you want. Maybe that means an amazing business that is flourishing, that gives you the ability, the financial ability to do whatever it is you want. Maybe that means you create something that's internet-based so you can go anywhere with your family at any time of any day. Maybe, I don't even know. Just know that none of these things that people do, now I'm getting off track of the 240,000, but it's based around building the business, but this goes with everything. You can do anything or be anything you put your mind to. So go out there and get it. I got off on a crazy motivational thing here, and I hope it motivated you. I hope it helped you. But go out and build your business, build your life, create whatever it is you want to do, because you can do it. It doesn't take someone special. And when you get there and when things are going awesome, leave some comments for me. I want to hear that you're kicking butt and life's going your way. Everyone, check out the next 2 videos in the end screen, and I'll talk to you soon.